Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to fix your hotspot problem in your Poco C71 smartphone. So friends, you have to go to the settings and then you have to click on this network and internet. Scroll down, you will see hotspot and you can see from here you can enable it. Friends, you can see here it is not opening here Wi-Fi. So how you can fix this problem? So you have to click on the search and here you have to type here the apps. Here you can go to the app simply, then you have to go to, you can see there are lots of apps here. Click on show system apps and here you have to type here Android, then click on Android system and here you have to clear cache this and you can go to search and here you have to write system and you will see here it is Android system UI. You can just clear cache and write here Google like this, and here it is Google Play services. You have to clear cache this, and another step is you have to click on settings, click on search and here you have to write here reset options. Click on reset options and here you will see here. And friends, you have, if you have to reset your hotspot settings, so you have to click on reset this and reset settings. You have to confirm your pattern like this. Friends, you can see this is how you can reset and it has been reset successfully. Then you have to click on this also, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and it is successfully reset. You can see. Friends, it will not erase any of your data like photos and videos, and you should not do this erase all data. It will erase all the data from your phone including your Gmail ID, photos, videos, apps. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.